2024 was a crazy year for Amazon sellers, and in this video, I'm going to break down a new strategy that I believe is going to help many of you. If you ever have to deal with the Section 3 or inauthenticity complaints, this is going to be game changer. This is going to help your Amazon account so much. This is probably going to help you survive the storm that many sellers were not able to survive in 2024 due to Section 3 policy violations.
So the Section 3 policy violations that I'm talking about is, let's say a new bookseller starts selling on Amazon. They get up to 10,000 in sales on their second or third month. Amazon says, hey, who are you and where did you get this inventory? They do a video verification call with them and they ask them where they got their inventory. They tell them, hey, I got these from Goodwill. For whatever reason, Amazon doesn't accept it, even though in their terms of service, it literally lays out that you can source products from Goodwill. And all the big booksellers on Amazon sell their products from Goodwill. And for whatever reason, they don't pass the Section 3, even though they're doing something completely within Amazon terms of service. So what I'm about to show you is going to help you combat these, in my opinion, wrong account shutdowns for failing Section 3.
Talked with many account recovery specialists, and one of the things they always recommend do is similar to what I'm showing you. So this is optional. It's not required, but I believe that people who take action on what I'm about to say, it's going to seem like a little paranoid to do, but we live in the age where the paranoid survive. And if you implement this strategy, I believe you're going to have a much higher chance of passing Section 3s and, making Amazon happy. And at the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you guys a new strategy that a lot of GoToLister users are using to get reimbursed thousands of dollars from Amazon for items that Amazon lost. This is a really cool strategy. Shout out to Mike, the used book guy, for even telling me about this. I didn't know people were using our software in this way to get money back from Amazon. So we're going to break that down at the end of this video. Much love. Enjoy.
So here's the strategy. What we're going to do is video record all of our books as we're listing them. So we're going to lay it down like this. Get a nice little tripod. I wouldn't get this one. This is what my dad uses to read. This goes around his neck. But you get the general concept. Go on Amazon, buy a tripod to hold your phone so it can look down here. And I would make it a black background. So I would actually do it on a surface like this. And you're just going to record your listing process on your phone and then flip your book over. So get a good, clear image of the front and back. And what this is going to allow you to do is if you ever get an authenticity complaint on a book, you have pictures of it, which has been known. This has been known to help Amazon sellers immensely with their cases. So now you have pictures of all of your books. And I would add to include a picture of the receipt here. This is just a grocery receipt, so ignore that. And then have a picture of the front and back of the books with the receipt. This has been known that if you have a receipt with a picture of the product, that you are more likely to get ungated in the brand or category if you have a picture of the product and receipt. So do you think this is going to help you if you have an authenticity complaint and you use the same format? I do not think it could hurt you. So this is how I would list. I would stack your books up, like always, barcode up. We're using the fastest listing software on the planet. So we scan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No other listing software can scan that fast. We're waiting for Amazon to return each book. So I would scan those 5 books in. Then in the meantime, what you can do is you'd have your phone here, record it, flip it. Again, make sure it's a black background. Then what we're gonna do is put this in the pile over here. Keep all your books in order that you scanned them in. Once we send the batch, all we need to do is click on print all in the box content section. And all the labels will be printed out here, just like this. And now we cover up the book label just like that. And then just like normal, send your box to Amazon. If you guys want the complete tutorial for GoToLister, I'll link that below. So the next step would be to upload your video to a Google Drive with the batch name, with the GoToLister batch name. And then that way, if you ever do get an authenticity complaint or a Section 3 from Amazon, you know exactly what date, what batch that book was in. You should be including your receipts in all of your SKUs. So the receipt number should be documented in all the SKUs. It should be in all your videos anyway. So you have a complete track record of where your inventory came from. And this is really going to help you. And I would upload it highest quality. I would pay the $10 a month to upgrade your Google account. And this is just going to make
for me, it would make me sleep so much better at night if I was still actively flipping a bunch of books on Amazon, which, I've had my fair share of trouble flipping books on Amazon. So don't take this advice lightly. I think this is some next level stuff. But anyway, let's dive into the next part. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to get reimbursed thousands from Amazon for contents that either UPS lost or Amazon lost. And I can't believe this is working, but it's working for tons of our users. They're getting reimbursed thousands of dollars. So check it out. What you're going to do is go to manage your FBA shipments, click on any shipment, and then click on contents within the shipment, which will bring you to this page here. Once you're here, if you scroll down to the bottom, it is going to ask you for proof of ownership, proof of delivery, and provide additional information. What GoToLister users are doing successfully is downloading their batch data from GoToLister. So within GoToLister, you can just download your data, and then you can go back here and upload that file, which is going to include all the contents. And then they are also uploading a picture of their box. So take a picture of your box before you send it out. Just like you're taking a picture of the books, take a picture of the box. Upload that picture of the box there and then submit. And that is what our GoToLister users are doing. They're getting reimbursed thousands of dollars for the book. So enjoy making extra money on inventory that either UPS lost or Amazon lost. If you enjoy hacks like this, if you enjoy content like this, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also join the GoToLister community. There's a free trial to GoToLister below. Sign up, join the Facebook group, and we're always brainstorming there for ways to combat the crazy landscape of Amazon. Much love. Peace out.